Hello everyone, I'm Thiago. You are watching a road dev map video, and today I will record the sound of the Hyperx Alloy Origins car with the radio switches. I will use this website typingtest.com and I will do two tests. The first one with the easy text and the second one with the hard text. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, we finished the first test and we got 100% of accuracy and we got 59 for the net speed. Okay, so now let's do the the hard text. Okay, 1 minute test with the hard text. Let's go. Okay, so for the second test we got 98% of accuracy and 58 for the net speed. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed the video, and if so, please subscribe to the channel and give a like to the video. Okay, see you in the next video.